Hey guys, so I'm here with a review, and it's for a product that we picked up before, as everyone said, shit hit the fan. We went into Sephora, and it was a trip initiated by the old man, and he asked me if there was any like lip balm or anything that Sephora sold, and something, I said yes, and he's like, is any of them something that you've wanted but would never buy for yourself? And I told him about the Glow Recipe Lip Pop, which is totally something that I've drooled over since I first heard about it, and I have to say that I'm not as happy with this product as I thought I would be. It does leave a pink tint to the skin. I'll show you. Now, I've only had this for a couple weeks, and this is what it looks like. That's all that's left. I've made a big dip, and I'm starting to wear it on the back. It's very oily. Not oily, but it's slick without the slickness of a gloss, and it's very shiny. I got setting powder all over my hand. That's about as pink as it gets. That's about 8 swipes. Smells amazing. But this is supposed to be a 3-in-1 product. And it's supposed to have a scrub. And do you see any scrub in this? Like, I see a little speck there at the bottom right there in the middle. But like, if there's any scrub in this, it is so little that it doesn't even do anything. And honestly, this smells good. It's been great. You know, it's nice on the lips, but it doesn't last at all. It wears off really fast. Honestly, I feel like I get better relief from chapstick than I do from this. I feel like this is overpriced, and honestly, I wouldn't, now that I've tried it, pay more than $10 for this. And $10 is still probably more than I would be willing to pay. Like I said, this is something I'm normally not buy for myself. I love Glow Recipe products. I love everything else that I've tried from them. But this is just not doing it for me. And if I could have returned it by now, I would have. But I can't. So I've discontinued use of this product because I do plan on returning it and getting something different. Because I mean, even a tub of the Laneige lip mask that would last you forever is only $20-something. I feel like there is better lip products at Sephora than this, and I would like to try something different, because this, I'm just not happy with this. I've switched back to like regular chapstick, and have discontinued use of it because it's like I'm putting it on every 5 minutes, and that really defeats the purpose, and it's too expensive to have to do that. And it's just too expensive for all that. I expected more from a company that I love, but you know, not every product can be a hit, and I highly recommend skipping this one. So that's my review. Honestly, it doesn't provide the moisture that it says. Once it's gone, my lips feel just as dry. Honestly, I think I might be allergic to it. That or it's just something in it, because my skin on my lips has been like peeling off, and it's not a chemical exfoliator. It's supposed to be a physical scrub exfoliator, scrub balm, and I'm not dealing with it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.